equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the clutch in the SILVERCREST SKMC 1200. This process requires precision and the right tools, so let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a socket set, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Begin by unplugging the SILVERCREST SKMC 1200 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the appliance is completely disconnected. Next, remove the outer casing. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the back and sides of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the casing to expose the internal components. Now, locate the clutch assembly. It's typically situated near the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the unit. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new clutch is installed. To remove the old clutch, you will need to unscrew the retaining screws. Use your socket set for this task, as it provides better grip and torque. Be careful not to strip the screws. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the clutch assembly out. Inspect the old clutch for any signs of wear or damage. If it looks worn out, it's definitely time for a replacement. Now, take your new clutch and align it with the mounting points. Secure it in place with the retaining screws you removed earlier. Ensure that it is tightly fitted to avoid any issues during operation. After securing the clutch, it's time to reassemble the unit. Carefully place the outer casing back onto the appliance, ensuring that all internal components are properly aligned. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely. Before you plug the unit back in, double-check that everything is in place and that there are no loose screws. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting the appliance yourself. Once you're satisfied with the assembly, plug the SILVERCREST SKMC 1200 back into the power source. Test the appliance to ensure that the new clutch is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. In summary, replacing the clutch in your SILVERCREST SKMC 1200 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can have your appliance running smoothly again. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with all your appliance needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.